Hello, now I would like to present some contents about the information architecture. So first take a look at the definition. Information architecture, or we can call it the IA, is one of the cornerstones of the current website development process. It is a detailed drawing of the websites based on the other components built together, such as the sample tables, functions, navigation, user interface, interactivity, and graphic design. Basically, the information architecture process is the first thing you need to do when designing a website. Nowadays, however, there are many people who believe that the process of developing an information architecture system is impractical both in terms of the time and skills needed to perform effectively. In fact, an information architecture system can be incredibly effective, and once you have mastered the basics of an information architecture system, it can be save your time, money in the long run. So why do you need to prepare an IA before creating the website? Let's find out what is the purpose of an IA. So in my opinion, there's the main purpose of the IA you need to consider before the designing a website. Firstly, visual design and information sent. The second is avoiding duplication and then uniting IA and page design. The first about the design and design information. Instead of defining the structure of the website, then building the website around it, information architecture should guide the user in the right direction by examining the visual design of the pages and the templates of the site along with the structure of the content of the site will ensure that user can find the information they need in that website. One of the main concepts related to information architecture is information sent, which is used to provide instructions to the user to let them know where they are in the structure of the website and where they can continue to work. This also gives them the clues about all the areas of the site they want to investigate or guide them towards the next steps they should take. The problem with the information architecture often arises is the duplication of the links in the web page. The insides with the many sections and the subsections for their navigation. Some pages are usually included in many subsections. This usually happens because the site's authors want to ensure that information is available everywhere it may be relevant, but the result is that it becomes confusing when the pages match the structure of the web page. Instead of including the page in the submenu of every relevant section, it is best to determine the best unique location for each piece of the content and just include it in that section. If the content is related to all the sessions, it can be put in the sidebar related links rather than in a sub-content. Ensure that people understand the location of each page in according with the structure of the site. Information architecture does not only create a perfect site map, it also ensures that everyone understands the purpose of each page in the site and what they need to do to accomplish the goal, whether it's word, is worth for the purchase. For information about an organization, or fill out a form to download a blank paper. Like mm, one thing that the site owner can do to determine whether the information architecture offers the most value to users of the site is to perform the content auditing. We can take if the spring cleaning type of the site content is a great way to find out exactly what is available on your site, understand the most appropriate location for each page, and find and remove any duplicate links. So this is a link of the source I used during doing the assessments. Thank you for listening.